Techie. Today I'll be showing you the difference between the variables and constants in JS. Okay, difference between variable and constants in JS. Welcome to my channel. So the very first thing, like we all know what a variable is. Okay, just as the name implies, variable is something that varies. Constant is something that is rigid, that is fixed. Okay, let's say a variable is something that is flexible, while constant is something that is rigid. Constant, you can't change it, you cannot redefine it. All right, so let's get started and see it. Okay, let us create a folder, JS. Sorry for that, I said JS. JS means JavaScript. Let us see JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript. So move it to your VS Code. So we are going to be running this code in our terminal. All right, so the first thing we want to do is to create your main file, or you can give it the name you want it to be, but I prefer using the main. Okay, the name main. All right, because it's our main JS file. Okay, the first thing that we are going to be doing now is to write a code. Like when you want to define a variable in JS, like I told you before, difference between variable and constant is what? The variable, it varies. Okay, it's more like a placeholder that is holding a value. It's a placeholder that is holding a value. It can be changed. Okay, these values can be changed, but for constant, the values cannot be changed. While declaring a variable, you may want to use var or the let keyword. Okay, the var keyword or the what? The let keyword. Okay, let's say declaring a variable, one can use either var or let keyword. Okay, so let's see how we can declare our variable, and see, let's take a look at the distinction between the variables and the constant. Well, I say you can use the let. Okay, let's say let age equal to 12. Okay, let age equal to 12. So I can log this out to print it on the screen using the terminal. Use console.log. Okay, also you can just pass in the age. Okay, you can pass in the age. So let's check it from the terminal. What can you see here? 12. You can see 12 here. Okay, so like I said, variable, it can change. Okay, I can come to this place. I will say age equal to 13. When I log this into the screen, it's going to show me 13. Okay, I can copy it as many times as I want. I can turn this place to 15, 14, 15, 10, 9, 19, 18, 11. All right, so on printing this thing to the screen, it's going to show me what? 14. Let's see. Yes, because 14 is close to the what I'm logging to the screen. Okay, that is why it's showing 14, but with constant you can't do this. Okay, let's clear this up. Okay, I cleared it up. So why declaring your constant? Okay, so what you have to do, you can either use your, let's take this guy out. Okay, it's a working with constants. Oh, sorry, you use the const. Okay, const keyword. This keyword is just like words that are reserved. Okay, they are keyword that are reserved. Okay, you can say they are previews. Okay, let's say const age 12 by default. So let's log it to the screen. So if you want to log this screen, this is a shorthand or a short way of doing this. Just in your VS Code, type log, then press your tab. Okay, ouch, log, oh, come to this place. All right, so log the age. Okay, if the tab didn't work, you can use that. Let's clear first, log it. You can see 12 here. Okay, let's redeclare this constant, say 45. Okay, let's say our age is 45. What will it show us? It won't work. Assignment to constant value. Okay, assignment to constant value. You can see with this you cannot redeclare a constant. In other words, constants Okay, in other words, in other words, constants are rigid while variables are flexible. Alright, thanks for watching. In the next video, we are going to be looking at functions, how we can declare our functions using JavaScript programming language. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and to click the notification button to be notified whenever a new video is being posted. Thank you.